climb inside the 2012 Toyota Camry. This four-door, 5-passenger sedan will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, heated door mirrors, rear parking sensors, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Come on in and take a test drive.